Hi guys! Welcome back again for another video. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how to achieve a no makeup look. This makeup tutorial is perfect for all the ladies out there who's always on the go and doesn't have all the time to do a full glam makeup look every single day. Or if you're someone out there that doesn't love putting too much makeup on your face but you want to look presentable enough, so this is the perfect tutorial for you guys. So yeah guys, without further ado, if you guys want to know how to achieve the no makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I do is I apply primer first, but this is optional guys. Hindi nyo kailangan maglagay ng primer since light makeup lang naman yung gagawin natin. But in my case, I will just apply primer kasi malamig dito and yung face ko talaga sobrang dry and ayoko na parang dry tingnan yung makeup ko. So yung gagamitin kong primer is itong Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer. Next, of course, if I want to do a no makeup look, of course, I will skip a foundation. And usually, yung ginagamit ko lang are tinted moisturizer or a skin tint. But lately, what I've been using is this MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Foundation. Because this one, it doesn't only give me a little coverage, but also it gives me a radiant on my face. So yung ginagawa ko is, ina-apply ko lang siya directly on my face. Ginaganyan ko lang kasi di ba pag nagmamadali ka, ayaw mo na ilalagay pa sa back of your hand. Then I blend it with a makeup sponge. Then next, even though this is a no makeup look, I still use a concealer, and what I do is, I just apply a little bit on my under eye. Kasi yung eye bags ko are very obvious. So, yung ginagawa ko lang is, linalagyan ko lang yung mga areas na kailangan talaga. So, yung concealer na gagamitin ko is itong NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Then after that, I will just blend it with a brush. Then next, I would still apply bronzer. And yung gagamitin kong bronzer is itong Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick. And yung ginagawa ko is I just apply a little bit of this. So after I apply bronzer, now I will apply a cream blush and I will be using the Rare Beauty. So I'll just put 2 dots here. Then I blend it using a brush. I know it looks crazy right now, but don't worry guys, because we will still gonna set our face. Then for my powder, I will use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Setting Powder. Next, I will do my brows, and I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Okay, so I'm done with my brows, and now what I do is naglalagay na ako ng powder blush, and for my powder blush, I will use the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment Blush. Then what I do is I use my blush again, and then I use that to apply on my eyelid. I do this so my eyes would look more awake, and I just apply a little bit of blush. Then after that, I create a small wing and nothing crazy since I just want to achieve like a no makeup look. And for my eyeliner, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. Next, I curl my lashes and apply mascara. And the mascara that I'll be using is this Neutrogena Healthy Length Mascara. Okay, so I'm done applying mascara and now I will highlight my face and I'll be using the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter in the shade Golden. Then after that, I will now do my lips, and to maintain the no makeup look, I always get a lip liner that is closest to the shade of my lips, and after that I will just put a gloss on top or a tinted oil just to make it look like natural or as if you only put a chapstick or a lip balm. So for my lip liner, I will be using the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Candy Cane. Then after that, I will put a tinted lip oil and I will be using this one from Merit Beauty. Now I will apply the tinted lip oil, or if you have a gloss, you can use that instead. So now for final step, I would still use a setting spray so my makeup would last all day. And for setting spray, I will be using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you like it and sana may natutunan kayo and may nakuha kayong ideas to improve your everyday makeup look. And thank you guys so much for watching. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share this video to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!